Good morning. I am Dr. Geeta Lakshmi, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, KIT Kalanyar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology. Today we are going to see about the fuel cell. First fuel cell invented by Sir William Crowe in 1838. Most important fuel cell is hydrogen oxygen fuel cell that is invented by Francis Thomas Bacon in 1932. Fuel cell is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So here the reactant, product, electrolyte, these three are passed through the cell. Most important examples are hydrogen oxygen fuel cell and methyl alcohol fuel cell. Another important type of fuel cells are proton exchange membrane fuel cell, alkaline fuel cell, solid oxide fuel cell, phosphoric acid fuel cell. So most important fuel cell is hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Why it is important means it is the simplest and successful fuel cell. Here the hydrogen acts as the fuel and oxygen acts as the oxidizer and potassium hydroxide acts as the electrolyte. These three are continuously passing through the cell. Next move on to the descriptions of hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. So here two porous electrodes are there. One is act as the anode and another one is act as the cathode. So these two are made up of compressed carbon containing small amount of catalyst, platinum, palladium and silver. So in between the two electrolyte, KOH or sodium hydroxide is filled. These two electrolytes are connected to the voltmeter. Next move on to the working principle of the fuel cell, hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. So here the hydrogen is bubbled to the anode compartment that is oxidized. Oxygen is bubbled through the cathode compartment that is reduced. So this is the final working model for the hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. So next move on to the reaction. So in the anode compartment, oxidation reactions will be occur. So here hydrogen reacted with the electrolyte to form water, and in the cathode compartment reduction reaction is occurs. So here oxygen reacted with water to form hydroxide ions. So both hydrogen oxygen reacted, finally we are getting water and electron EMF, that is 1.23 volt EMF is produced finally. So this is the final model for the hydrogen oxygen fuel cells. So fuel cell is the future because in fuel cells could power our cars with hydrogen replacing the petroleum fuel cell that is used in most vehicles today. Many vehicles manufacturers are actively researching and developing transportation fuel cell technologies. Stationary fuel cells are the largest, most powerful fuel cell. Next, research and development in fuel cells. First, improving fuel cell technologies based on platinum-based alloys is important for efficient fuel cell. Now, nickel molybdenum niobium metallic gas is put forward as the hydrogen-oxygen reaction catalyst with highly active and stability in alkaline electrolyte. Next, development of high-performance polymer electrolyte fuel cells has historically focused on designing new catalysts and ionomers. Next, move on to application. Fuel cell mostly used as the initially energy sources in space vehicles, submarines, or military vehicles. The product of water is proved to be valuable source of fresh water by astronauts. Fuel cells can be used in the wide range of applications, including transportation, material handling and stationary, portable, and energy backup power. Advantages of fuel cell are they are efficient and take less time for operation, pollution free and produce drinking water, good reliability, quality of power produced does not degrade over time, noise offers much more silent and smooth alternative to conventional energy production, environmentally beneficial, greatly reduce CO2 and harmful pollutant emissions. Disadvantages of fuel cells are it is expensive, hydrogen is highly flammable substance, hydrogen gas is explosive in nature, it can't be easily transported from one place to another, it can store electrical energy. Thank you.